The NB Network with Dee Sparta.
Hello everybody, it's me Dee, and welcome to the NB Network. Surprise! I'm doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. I wasn't going to get this box, but then a friend of mine talked me into it because they were like, oh, December's is so good. Now, I did not get Boxy Lux, and I'm not getting premium because I'm like, no. But I will try this. So, let's get started with the unboxing. Right, welcome back, and here we go. Now, this box, I did not get to pick any of my items or anything because I had canceled. And so, I don't know what I'm getting. I have no idea. So, here we go. Whoa, and everything's all loosely packed in here. So, the first thing I'm pulling out here is Man-Eater mascara. This is from Tarte. I have a sample size of this that I have used. It's not one of my favorite mascaras. I really don't have much lashes, so yeah. It's hard to see them, but this isn't too bad. This is pretty good. This is a nice. Now, I don't have a card in here, so I don't know the prices. Okay, I'm back. I'm able to get something. There's some stuff. I had hoped to get the Glamnetics eyelashes. Didn't get those, it looks like, which I'm disappointed. So, but this is $23. Now, I did get, let's see here. Get Lit from Eloise. It's a pure gold. Let's see here. It is wrapped. Oh, okay. It is sealed. I'm like, why can't I pull anything open? It's got a plastic seal all around it. It's keeping it fresh, I guess. And I'm just like breaking the seal. Okay, well, we'll see how this goes. Let me see here. Let me pop this open. Open! Like I need to cut eggs. Can't open things. And then it's in here. Let's see what this is. It's called Eloise Pure Gold. This is really a cute bottle. This is a liquid eyeshadow. See, when I looked, I was like, did I get nail polish? No, it's okay. It doesn't smell bad. Let me give you. Oh, that is gorgeous. Okay, liquid eyeshadows can be really nice. And can you see these sparklies? I don't think so, but it looks really good in person. So that is a nice little treat. I think I'm going to like this. I'm going to try it out. It's in a color that I do like to wear, so that's okay. Okay, I wanted this. I really wanted a MAC lipstick again. I really enjoy their lipsticks. You know, it probably has to do with growing up and when I was in high school. That's when MAC came. When I graduated high school, MAC had come out, you know, and it was a big thing. Because they're products, and I used to love always getting them. Let me swatch this. It's a nice, it's almost red. What is this? Yeah, it's Russian red. It is a nice red. I think it'll look good on me. So yeah, I'm happy. I don't wear a lot of red lipstick though, but hey, let me see how much that MAC lipstick is. $19. Oh yeah, and the let me see, the liquid liner is $26. So I only paid $25 for the box. So I am getting my money's worth, you know. So let me see here. Let me clean. I'm back and thank you. Now I was really hoping to get one of the Huda Beauty palettes, but no. I got the Caliente palette. These are not colors I want to use. I know some people do these really well, but I am not impressed. This is $30 for 8 pans. This is from Artist Couture. Let me see here. Oh, it doesn't even feel nice. I don't think this is going to swatch well, folks. There's the yellow. Coming out, it doesn't. Let me try this color. They're really bright. I am seeing pigment in them, but at the same time, it kind of goes off. It looks like 5 mattes and 3 shimmers. That shimmer is shimmering nice. You know, it's not that bad, but it's not like my favorite. Let me wipe some of this off here. Okay, now that we got that locked out, my fingers. Yeah, I got brightly colored fingers here. Let's get these situated. Wow, this is pigmented. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. All right. So the colors we've looked at is Cultura, Fugo, Vibris, Margarita. Now we just did Roomba. Now I have, no, I have to do Roomba. Roomba. That did not swatch well at all. This is supposed to be a shimmer. I have to tell you, the product doesn't feel good. You know when oh my God, I went to swat the bottom one right here and it's all falling apart. Holy moly, Brillo. And that swatched horribly also. You can't really tell in the camera, but in person, it's weak. So yeah, I'm not happy with this palette at all. And the other people got the Huda Beauty palettes. I'm actually wearing Huda Beauty right now. I have this one. Now that I'm scared to open this up again. Let's see here. Let's see. The other color here is pigmented. It is Mamacita. Mamacita. I can get I can get my words right here, huh? And Sensual. Sensual is not that bad. I like browns, so. Let me come right back. I gotta tell you, not worth it. This palette's not worth the money at all. Very, very much disappointed. This is... No bueno. Welcome back. I have one more product here, and this is from Ofra. It's banana powdered brightening and setting powder. Now this powder, let me see if I can find the this is $35 value. That is a really nice value. Now I'm running out of my favorite setting powder, which is let me pull this out, is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I absolutely love this powder. I'm like, oh, got very little left in there. So I was like, okay, I need new setting powder. So this, you know, I'm thinking, hopefully if this is any good. I'm used to loose setting powders, but, you know, I'm running out. Oh, my fingers are not all cleaned off. Oh my goodness. Can't get all this. So some of the colors suck. And some of them are just are very pigmented. Is this eyeshadows or... yeah, it's a pressed pigment palette and eyeshadow, and I can tell. Pressed pigment stain. All right. Now, I don't usually go banana color here, but I don't know. I just swooshed it around on my wrist. I might try it out. I'll see how this is, and I will review it and let you all know if this is any good. I'm picky about my setting powders, and I need to buy some more. All right. Well, so we got a MAC lipstick, an Eloise liquid eyeshadow, Ofra setting powder, Caliente eye palette, and, oh, here it is. And a mascara. This is, I mean, the combo itself is good, okay? But this palette really is not up to par. I did not like it. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I don't want to give it to somebody because I care about my friends and I care about you all. But yeah. So, but, you know, I got a bunch of things that I'm going to use that would have cost me over $100. So, yeah, I got a deal. But I'm not really, you know, Boxy still hasn't sold me. I'm happier with Ipsy so far. I really am. And I'm excited to find out the new year with Ipsy and what they're going to do with their new quarterly extra. It's Glam X package. I can't wait to see that in February. Anyway, folks, I love you all. Thank you for just sitting here and just shooting the boop with me. I love you all. Please be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. And I'll see you next time here on the Emmy Network.